Right here is the TP-Link HS200 Smart Wi-Fi Light Switch. In the box, we get some pamphlets and our light switch, as well as some wire nuts for hooking the thing up. Right here is the light switch, and you see that the wires need to be attached to your wall. It does require installation. Another thing to note is that this light switch will not work without a neutral wire. Check prior before buying this light switch. If you don't know at all what I'm talking about, you're going to need an electrician to help you install this. If you do know what I'm talking about and you are comfortable handling with wires, you may install this light switch by yourself. But do remember to follow safety protocols like turning off your breaker before doing so. As you can see, once you take out your previously non-smart light switches, you can see that there are a lot of wires sticking out. I don't know what this means at all, but the Casa app will help guide you through it. Once you have fully installed your smart light switches, head over again to your Casa app to set up your light switches. It guides you right through it, connecting it to Wi-Fi. One feature these light switches have is the ability to use it with your smart assistants. Some of these examples include Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Bixby with Samsung SmartThings, and Microsoft's Cortana. Right here is light switch 1 and 2. Light switch 1 controls the outside patio string lights, and light switch 2 controls the door entryway light. Here is a video showing light switch 1 turning on the outdoor string lights. Here is a video showing light switch 2 turn on the outdoor garage light. Like I mentioned earlier, you can control your smart light switches through a digital AI assistant. Right here I'm using Google Assistant on my Sonos Move to control these lights. You can also access Google Assistant on Google Home devices such as the Google Home Mini and your Android smartphone or app on iOS. Here's a short clip of me asking Google Assistant to turn on the outdoor string lights. Hey Google, turn on the string lights.
Alright, turning string lights on.
And here's a video of me asking the assistant to turn off the lights. Hey Google, turn off the string lights.
Okay, turning off string lights.
These light switches are usually $30 at Best Buy or Amazon. This is in Canadian dollars, and you can often find them on sale for less. I recommend this product as a cheap way to smarten up your home to use with your digital assistants and with your smartphone or tablet device. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.